Okay, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm baking, not bacon. I could go for some bacon. Anyway, we're making miniature carrot cake breads. Got my little miniature bread pan. And what you're gonna need is a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and then a teaspoon of baking soda, cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and you're gonna add that all in. And you're gonna whisk this together. This is the basis of your breads. Now, once those are incorporated, you're gonna take a cup of finely shredded carrots. And you're gonna combine that with oil and a couple of eggs. So you want to mix that together too. There goes your oil. You got to incorporate this real good. And I'm going to add my 2 eggs. What you want to do too is preheat your oven at 350. And once these eggs are incorporated into the carrot mixture, you're going to slowly add in your dry mixture. And once that's incorporated, you're going to add in pecans or walnuts or whatever nut you choose, or you don't have to go with any. I have walnuts. Make sure they're chopped. You don't want big chunks of walnut in there. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit at a time. You want to spray your bread pan too, so that it comes out easier. You're going to bake about about 8 to 10 minutes. Check it. All depends how your oven works. This should give you, supposedly, depends how you fill your things, your pan. I'm going to try to get at least 6, so I'm probably going to fill maybe 2/3 to the top. I might get more. We'll see how it goes. Then you can make your frosting. I'll get into that after. So as you can see, a couple more. You can probably do this in your mixer, but my mixer's way on the other side of the kitchen. You won't be able to see it. You can hear it. Okay, once this is incorporated, you're going to add your nuts. You're going to mix that all together, and then you're going to put it in your pan. So I'm probably going to use a little scooper here. I've already sprayed the pan. These are pretty well incorporated. Okay, now take a little scooper. Not the neatest thing, but like I said, 2/3 full, which is a little more than half. If you're any mathematicians out there. And that's the very exciting part. So like I said, flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, baking soda, nutmeg for your dry mixture. And a cup of carrots, cup of oil, and once that mixed, 2 eggs. So it's not really that difficult. And just divide it into your pans. There's 6. Let's use a little bit more. So it looks like I get about 6. Just want to make sure that they're pretty even. Once these baked, you let them cool for about 5-10 minutes in the pan before you put them on the rack, and especially before you frost them. Because if you frost them when they're hot, it's going to run off and not look like you won't have any frosting on it. I've done that a few times where I just forget or I'm in a hurry. But learn from my mistakes. So there you go. They're in the pan, and we're going in the oven. 350, and we'll be back.